Look at me. Look at me.
We have to try finding a bear in a field full of cows. And 90% of them are black. If I see one, it'll probably be, there's a dip in the trees. Probably come out of there because it's kind of empty over there. There's not a lot of stuff. No bears. No luck.
It's a nice bear, Peyton.
Yeah, is it big?
Yes. That's a really nice bear.
The pressure's on.
No pressure. No pressure.
Oh, that's a massive.
What? He's a big bear. He's a nice bear. Wind's a little squirrely. It's good for the YouTube. That was a great shot. That was perfect. Did you see him drop?
Yes.
You did it. You did it. Classic.
Okay.
So I'll show you. I'll do the first one. You can.
Okay.
You just kind of like draw.
One and
Your
then grip
triangle.
it.
And then. That's the first one. And what's the date today?
I don't know.
It's the 4th.
It is almost dead, so I can't tell you.
It's
I
a
think it's the
fourth.
4th. You got a flashlight? I don't know. I think
So,
everything's
do you
in
cut
my.
the
It's
fourth?
on your phone.
Did I cut the fourth?
Cut the 4, yeah. Put it in.
This is weird. Ah!
Why'd you do that?
So it knows that it wasn't just killed for the sake of it, so it knows it's going to have a big role in our family.
You want to? What do you think, Peyton?
I'm loving it. She's a dry sow, so that's good. She had no coat.
Yeah. Oh, she's so beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Cutting up my bear meat and getting the fat in this, scrap meat in this, good meat in this. That's what we're doing. We cut up bear meat, so we went hunting in a field and we saw a little bear, and then we waited and there was a big bear that came out, so we went for the big bear. I shot and I got it, so we cut up the legs and then the front arms, and then we cut them up into squares to grind them, and then with the fat, because it was a pretty fat bear, this is the rendered fat, so like you can make it into hand cream, lotion, lip chat, and it's really good for dry hands and dry lips, and you can, I don't really know what else you can do with it. I feel great after being successful because I took so many shots on different bears and I've missed all of them by shooting at them twice. And then I shot at this one first try and I got it. So it feels just great. Thanks for watching the video and joining my hunt with me. Well, not actually, but like, you know, in video.